Okay, very good morning to all. Uh, Now we discussing the concept called B trees. So what is a B tree means? It is a tree data structure where we can able to perform searchings, insertions, and deletions. Same like other trees we can perform here as well. But it is optimized one. For large blocks, this actually deal with the large blocks of data. So where we will use this one, we mostly used in data system. This is the things. It's a data structure. We can perform searching, insertion, and deletion operations, and it's optimized ones, particularly used for the large blocks of the data, and it will be used in the database and the file systems. What is the rules means? Rule children. More still element. Okay, and then we have some more rules like tree. A positive constant integer. A integer called min used to count element held in a single node. Okay, so minimum we have. If we have minimum two means single node can have only two childs. Five means can have five childs. And some more rules like root can as few as okay even no elements as well is called as a B tree. So root can have only one element, and it can be satisfied as every other element, every other nodes at least minimum elements. The minimum means every node should has two. This thing should be satisfied again. Other rule is maximum node is minimum. And subtrees. The number of subtrees is always one more than elements subtree 1, so on. Has the same depth. It should be same in a B tree. Y means the tree. How the binary tree means this is subtree 0, subtree 1, subtree 2. This consists the element tree. This consists the element than this can between 90 and 107. This is how the subtree tree looks like. Example. Let me recap once. Listen carefully. B tree is a data structure. It can perform searching, insertion, and deletion operations. It's a optimized one, particularly used for the large block of data, and it can be used in databases and the file systems. So, for the rules of the binary tree are like every tree can have more than 2 children, whereas in the binary tree we have only 2 children at most, but here we can have more than 2 children. So node may contain more than just a single element, and every B tree depends on positive content called minimum. So why we use minimum means it used to determine how many elements are held in a single node. So root can have as few as one element as well, but other node should have at least minimum elements. If minimum is 1 means every element should have 1. And maximum number how many can be means twice the number of the minimum value. So number of subtrees below the non-leaf node should always more than the number of elements in the node. So every leaf in a B tree has same depth. Why we require say this here? This is the depth. Why means if it has same depth means the height will be same. So here this is the binary tree where the elements will be from 93 to 107. In this subtree we have 93 and 107 has greater than 107, whereas in between we have 93 to 107. Let me draw one more example. Think that root may be a 6. This may consist 2, 4. This may have some 9, 7, 8, 10. So less than 1 may has the value 1. Here maybe 5. So this is a less than, greater than, even. Here as well, less than, greater than. Here the minimum is how much? Minimum may be. So what is the minimum? This node consists of one element and consists of one element. Each and every element apart from the leaf nodes has one element. That is called the minimum. So this is a, see, more than 3 elements. So this is the example of a. Up to now, we have any questions, clarifications, and then ask me.
Sir, example intervention.
Okay. Let me go for one more example. Let me draw one more example. Simple logic is, if this is the root, 3 things. Here is than root. Here root. Here between the root. Between. You remember this point in your mind. Let me draw one more example for you to understand. I have elements like 6, 17, 4, 12, 19, 22, 2, 3, 5, 10, 16, 18, 20, 25. So this is the root element. For this root element, this should be less than root. This element should be greater than root. This should be in between the root. So everything is satisfied. True. Again, this should be less than. Here, greater than. Less than, greater than. So 19, right? Less than element is 18. Greater than element is 25. In between 22, 20 is there. So this is also an example of B tree. Less than, greater than, in between, in simple way. Now let me say here, we will see next thing, searching operation. We call searching operation. Assume that I want to search 10. So how the search will be? How many searches we have?
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes. Yes, go ahead.
sir, right side 2 elements uన్నారు సార్ కన్ఫర్మ్
Right side?
సార్
Yes.
2 ఉన్నారు సార్ 19 20 కన్ఫర్మ్ గా
19 కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. If it is a 19 means,
సింగిల్ కూడా ఉండదు
yes, we can be single or double, anything.
ట్రిపుల్ ఆల్సో సార్
Yeah, yes, triple also.
ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ
Triple means we will take as the 10 as one another node. Now I want to search element 10. And so first it search 6 and 17. We come to know that this 17 means elements are greater than 7. Am I right? How 6 and 17. So greater than 17, no. Less than 6, no. It will be in between. So it will search as 12. Then it compared less than, so 10. In the third search, we will find the value 10. First we will search with 6, 17. It's between 10 and 12. Left found. 3 operations is required to identify the searching an element 10. Now I want to search an element 18. So how I can search here? First I check with 6 and 17. We know it's a greater than. So 19 and 20. So 22. We know that it's a less than. So 18. 18. 3 operations are required. One operation, third operation. Like this, you can able to search an element in the binary search tree. You say any one example to search here in this tree. You want me to search which number?
5 sir
How 5? Assume that you want to search an element. How many operations we require? 7. It says this. So then 4, 3 operations. Now let me say for 25 how many operations is there? For 25 how many operations?
4 sir
Sorry?
4 sir
The search, second search, third search.
3 sir
Yes, 3 searches we required. This is how we can able to find the searching an element. So rules as well RC, all the elements. Like that, we can perform the searching operation here. Next, let's assume that I want to remove an element 18. How you can remove an element 18? How you can remove an element 18? We just delete this one, that's it. So automatically the elements can be removed here. Removing is easy. Now let me say about addition operation. Searching means searching the elements. Removing means same like perform the searching operation, it can remove the element. Now let me go for addition, adding an element, addition or insertion. So what will be the insertion operation here? Let me say first one example where you want to insert. I may take example 6, 17, 12, 19, 22. Assume this is a B tree. Now this is the tree I am having. Now I want to insert an element 18. I want to insert 18. Where we can insert an element?
Greater than.
Greater than. So here. So it will be right?
19 left.
Yeah. So means that depth is not equal. Depth null. So we need to find other operation. Depth is very more compared to this one. So this thing we should not enter here. Then what will be the solution? We should take this. How we can take it into this place? Now I will replace as 6. I will take 19 here. Then 4 I left same. 12 I will take left side. And 20 this. Individual. Now take this one. This can be done. 4. Yes. Now if you see here the element was inserted. The depth is, so this can be a B tree. Like this, by following the rules
Sir,
of the,
1922 middle కూడా పెట్టొచ్చు కదా సార్.
if you put a 1922 middle means here minimum value should be 2. 2 means one consists of 2. We should not use more than 2. That's why we can put this one in the here. You got right? You can what she is saying is
Again, sir.
yes, yeah. I want to insert where 18, 9, 22. Am I right? You are saying like this, you can able to insert it out. Here in this part inserting the value here 18.
సరే.
This as well can be done. While performing the addition operations, we need to check the root problem. Based upon our minimum value, we need to check it out. Here the minimum will be more. That's why for operation. So if you insert an element or delete an element, you should check the rules of the B tree, and based upon the rules, we need to adjust the elements, childs or parents or etc. etc. They will ask what is a B tree, or what is the insertion operation, or what is an addition operation, or searching operation, deletion operation. So you need to draw on any example of a B tree, explain it out very clearly. You can use the same examples what I here. I will text document as well as video in YouTube so that you can able to check it out.